Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to sequence external hardware using the Elektron Digitakt. The first thing you want to do is choose the MIDI channel that you want to use to sequence. So we're going to choose MIDI channel A, which we access by pressing the number 9 trig. Then you simply hold down the function key and press down on this first rotary encoder here, rotary encoder A. This turns on the MIDI channel. Next, you have to choose what channel you want to be sending in order to receive it on whatever synth or drum machine that you're trying to receive information from. So you can check the manual of your synthesizer, or you can just, sometimes there'll be a screen that displays where it's receiving. In the case of the Behringer, it receives on channel 2. So I'm just going to go to channel 2 here by turning the rotary encoder. Okay. And now, when you press that trig, you'll be hearing whatever external instrument you're trying to sequence. And from there, you can either activate the keyboard by pressing function and then chromatic subkey, and you can play it. Or you can access the manual sequence page by just pressing the record button, little circle, and then you can write things in. And if you press the trig key here, it shows you a keyboard, and it will tell you what note you're inputting into these trigs. So right now we're sending a C5. So if I hit play, that's what it sounds like. And if you want to change that, you can adjust it on the fly by turning the rotary encoder here to choose the note. Or you can go back to this page and you can adjust each individual encoder or each individual trig by holding it down and reassigning it. And there you have it. That's how to sequence an external instrument using the Elektron Digitakt. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe on my page. I'm always releasing new tutorials and how-to videos for different aspects of production, music creation, and sound engineering in general. So thank you very much for watching, and have a good one.